Hola. Hello. Is my microphone kinda okay? I'm using my old microphone. I went to the... Oh, what kind of clothing did you buy? Did you buy some anime clothing? I bought some nice stuff from there. I need to do the social stuff and save that I'm live. You know, those kind of stuff I keep forgetting. So, Uber Kitty. Hello, hello. By the way, oh my, there's a Studio Ghibli Uniqlo collab. What? I need to go there. By the way, guys, uh, uh, wait, I forgot what I wanted to say. Uh, there's an ad. Oh, there's an ad in progress apparently. Let me grab my cat so he can sit there peacefully and be cute. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. There we go. We have the Kato. Kato on stream. Oh my god, you should check out Trust. Yes, I will. It's gonna eat your wallet. Maybe not. I am going to Japan next year. Or, this year. Actually, it's this year already. I'm going to Japan. So that is going to eat all my wallets anyways. So yeah. Today, we are going to study because I suck at programming and I need to bump up my skill level before my job fires me. No, just kidding. That's not I hope it's not happening. uh, so to improve that, uh, thank you. To improve that, I got a few things. The first thing is I got a book to read on from my colleague. But just look how thick it is. I'm gonna die. I haven't even started on one page yet. But that is when I'm in a break or something, I'm gonna read that. The second thing is, I thought as a feedback I got was to book, yeah, book. Oh, the thing I want to say is, why don't you guys claim the first wheel for the? It's a book. Hondayo. Claim the first wheel so you can be a plushie on the stream, like the usual stuff. Oh my god, my cat is like kneading the pillowcase. See it? It's so cute. It's so cute. Wait, let me see. Without like doxing myself, please. Thank you. So you can claim the first wheel and then be a plushie on the stream. And I noticed some of my sound alerts are not working, which is a pain. I don't understand why. Maybe you can help me with that easy. Senpai. But okay, let's start. I have very light music in the background. You can hear it. I wonder which
Haha.
sound this is.
Yes, I am first.
Like there's another sound
You all
here,
shall bow
like
before my
raging up.
greatness.
Wow! Senpai played first! Yay! Let's give him the wheel of fortune. I mean the gacha wheel, you know. Since I lost gacha, you gotta lose it too. I mean win. Get a plushie, please. I lost gacha so much during anniversary. It was so painful actually. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Oh my god, you got the big ass plushie. Look, senpai, you're this. Hello. How does it feel to play with the cat? Meow, meow. He got it! Can sit here. Meow. Enjoy the plushy cat. You're calling me fat? I mean, it do be kinda fat. So many people calling me fat early in 2024. Well, the only thing is you can do is to exercise then. Or eat less sweets. Just like me, I have commitment issues. Like so I told my friend like I'm gonna do sit-ups every day. And it lasted one day. And I did one row skipping though. But like the reason why I'm starting streaming again is not to draw. It's not to learn studying. Is for you to claim the workout session so I'm actually working out more now. So please claim it. I need to work out actually more before I go to Japan. Um apart from No, don't leave me. Don't leave me. Breathe. Yeah. I ask it myself. Okay, let me do the rope skipping then. But you know how smart I am? I'm gonna put my stream on my TV so I can still read the chat in the meanwhile. And then I'm gonna do some rope skipping indoors. Ah, wait, before I do that. If you say so. Yes, 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 I say so. Uh, doko, doko, doko. I'm just like extending my thing. Okay, okay. Oh, you know what I can do? I can bring my VTuber phone, and then maybe if it sees me jumping, it will jump. I'm not sure if it works like that. I don't do this often. You can see my cat like looking at the corner, like, what the fuck are you doing, human? Ow! I need to get the yoga mat. What the hell? What happened? Oh, my cat just jumped off. Okay. Hey, and I am here. Oh, my cat just jumped in front of me. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Ow. Uh, my socks are too long. They are falling, getting into the cord. Ow. Tired. Ow. I exercise, and I'm so tired already. Okay, it's a short exercise for today. until and half hour later it can be claimed again. I am dead. And now we are starting my journey as a developer while being half dead of the exercise. Okay, I'm so dead. Okay, well, I got this first thing as the LeetCode beginner guide because I have no idea what this is. Like, I saw the page a few times, but I haven't really like explored it or something. So let's watch it. I'll read. We all have a driving force that is responsible for bringing us here. Some of us want to strengthen our skills with data structure algorithms, others with databases and writing queries. Some of us enjoy competing coders from around the world, and many of us getting ready to crack the coding interview. I'm still so out of breath actually. The common element here is, which is also the heart of LeetCode, is solving problems. As such, benefiting place to start by learning how to solve a problem on LeetCode, about some of the tools and features that are available for you. If you already solved several problems in LeetCode, you can skip the video, which I have not. In this video, we will demonstrate the problem page, introducing some of the basic features available when some problems, and guide you through solving your first problem on LeetCode. Okay, let's watch it.
Let's have a look at the problem page on LeetCode. Here you can find contests, study plans, featured problem lists, daily coding challenges, and lists of frequent
Enjoy! Clearing gacha before bed. Oh, which gacha are you playing?
frequently asked problems by company. We'll discuss some of these features later, but for now, let's take a look at solving a problem. Let's start with something easy that's related to addition. When clicking on a problem, you will be brought to its dedicated page. On it, you will find a description of the problem, some examples, and the constraints of your input. You will also find related topics to the question. For some problems, you may also find suggestions to other problems with similar themes, and some more difficult problems will even come with a number of hints to help you. The field to the right is where you are given starter code, and where you will be expected to write your solution. Below it, you will find a button to run your code to see if it works given some test input, and a submit button for when you are satisfied with your solution. At the top, you will find a drop-down menu where you can choose your preferred language.
I was right, it was Java.
Let's try solving this problem. The problem provides us with two integers and asks us to return their sum.
Personality.
Due to the constraints, we know that our sum cannot be greater than 200 or less than negative 200. Therefore, we don't need to worry about integer overflow. We can therefore return num1 plus num2. Oops, it seems there's a bug in our code. The input field tells us what the input values were for the test case that failed. Output tells us what our code returned. Expected is the correct answer for this test case. It's obvious here what our mistake is, but sometimes it can be challenging to find a mistake. In these cases, you can use the debugger tool, or print statements, to probe your solution. Let's see what that would look like.
Oh, there is. Oh yeah, I think I need to do this daily. LeetCode.
As you can see, the standard out box will be where your print statements write to. You can also see exactly where your output differs from the expected answer.
Oh,
For
that's pretty
us,
cool.
the difference is just one number, but this can be useful for larger output.
I heard it's really good for your portfolio
Let's
work.
fix our
Oh,
bug and
really? I
remove our
didn't know
print
that.
statement. Always
I
remember
just
to
thought to
delete any
pick this
print
up because
statements
it
before
was a
submitting code.
recommendation by a colleague.
Now we've fixed
And
our
I
bug,
kind of need to
let's
work on
test
my
it against
problem
all the
solving.
example test cases given in the description. You can do this by clicking Use Example Test
I don't know if
Cases.
people say if you
We can even add a few
can
more
help
test cases
you
by
get a
adding
job
our
easier.
input on new lines.
Didn't know that. I'm currently working for a company as a React native
Brilliant.
developer.
We've passed all our
With,
example test
TypeScript,
cases.
as
Now
a
let's see if
compiler.
our solution passes all test cases.
Oh, hello,
And so
Link.
we've solved our first problem.
Welcome,
You can try solving this
joining
problem
the
for
stream.
yourself
We're
by
learning
searching for
about
problem
the
2235.
stuff. I am still
A
a
quick
junior
note,
developer, so I
Explore
kind of want
pages
to
have a slightly different layout.
yeah, practice my problem solving. How did you find me? Because it shows proof of your work and stuff you have done. Oh, that's pretty nice. Are you also a developer?
But you should be able to find most of the same functionality on it. Let's take a look at a few additional features. In the top right of the editor, you can reset your code to nothing, retrieve previously submitted code, as well as access some settings. You can change things such as font size, theme, key bindings to Vim or Emacs, and adjust the number of spaces per tab. There is a full screen mode, and you can adjust the size of the sidebar if you would like more space.
Of each tab.
You can find details about your language version and any imported packages by clicking here.
I really like the language settings.
You can also see all your previous submissions here, and by clicking on a previous submission, you can see further details about it. For example, you can see a runtime distribution for your language, where you can see how fast the solution of other users are compared to yours, as well as memory distribution.
Oh.
You may also click Edit Code to work on this code again.
Hello! What is your best notstroke?
Let's have a look at a few more filtering
because
capabilities.
I just don't.
We can filter by problems related to data structures and algorithms.
Like I know some people do them, but like I feel like maybe it's because the language thing. But I don't really feel the what's these notstrokes. Maybe I'm just a robot, you know, without any feelings.
Problems relating to databases and SQL, problems related to shell scripting, and problems related to concurrency and multi-threading. We can also display topic tags for each problem, and filter problems according to the topics we are interested in practicing. We may also filter by companies, but for more recent results, you will want to use the companies widget on the right. Each problem will have a blue marker if it has an official solution, a purple marker for a video solution, a percentage of how many submissions are accepted for this problem, and a frequency rating, which is related to how many people have reported receiving this question in an interview.
Oh.
Note that some features are only visible to premium subscribers.
Oh.
We'll stop here for now,
only premium
and we'll resume from this page in the next video tutorial.
Well, if I do this weekly, I might actually... My rule of thumb is if I continue this of a full 3 months straight, I will actually contribute to that. But before that, if I don't, yeah, that's not happening. So, for example, like also with Duolingo, I am very pleased to say I am now... How many days in? Let me see. I am now 276 days straight logged in and actually doing a course for Japanese. So, like, that's going well. I wanted the Duolingo Plus, but then I found another code where I could get unlimited hearts, so I didn't have to do that anymore. Because the hearts was the problem for me to keep going, because I didn't have the amount of mistakes anymore. But luckily, I got a friend who gave me a code to be in his classroom, and then I don't have that issue anymore. Because my main purpose was to learn Japanese and not to what's it called, to strive higher in the world ranking or something. That's not what I use this app for. Anyways, You are now equipped to solve your first LeetCode problem. We encourage you to try solving add to integer and then return here. This problem is designed to allow you to focus on process of submitting a solution and feature that are available to you. If you would like to try more challenging first problem, a realistic beginner-friendly interview problem, we encourage you to select a problem from the next chapter instead. Okay, let's just do this one because I want to just see it. What's the difference? I'm just gonna use a code editor because it looks more friendly. Customize your coding space by dragging the tabs to create preferred layout. Resize panels. Oh, that's this here. Maximize panels. Expand and collapse. Customize for dynamic layout, editing layout, shortcuts, and advanced settings. Wait, where was that? This? I want to see what the toolbar is, just to see it. Am I the only one that's not seeing the difference? Oh, it was on the top, and this one is at the bottom here. That one's at the bottom. Let me put the font size a bit bigger for you and for me because I'm freaking blind. Key binding. Key binding can be is that Emax as max? 4 is fine. Shortcuts. Don't need that for now. Okay, here we go. My first problem. Add two integers. Let me choose Java. It's been a while since I worked with Java, so don't shoot me. Like I said, my previous main languages I worked with was like TypeScript, JavaScript underwater, of course. But Java was actually my first language which I started with, so let's see. And also JavaScript is more object orientated, so I kind of missed that a bit. Given two integers number 1 and 2, return the sum of the two integers. Example 1, output. So number 1 is 12, number 2 is a 5, the output is 17. Explain. Explanation, number 1 is 12, number 2 is 5, their sum of there is 17, so 17 is returned. Output number 1 is minus 10, the other one is 4, your output is minus 6. Constrain. Return the sum of the integer. Return num1 plus num2. Oh, where did it go? Oh, okay, there we go. I saved it. Hey! Your code is saved to local. Upgrade to premium to enable cloud saving. Oh, interesting. I've not seen this in the real life thing. Just saying. But I can run this to see. So test case accepted. Test case accepted. What is also nice is just to no, it's not console log. It's a system print out. I think. Is it with caps? I can't remember actually. Num1. Does it also work like this? Hey, it also works like this. Do I need double quotes for this one? I remember there's also shortcuts for this, but is system print out? Dot out. Oh, this is a lot of baby stuff, but I feel like just messing around a little bit. Save and run. Let's see how it goes. I was forced to learn C++. I would help, but I didn't learn Java. Yeah, I learned Java a very long time ago, so it's been. Oh yeah, the debugger was like the thingy. Wait, huh? Does it tell me like editor like what's wrong? No, it does not. Okay, let me see. Java system dot print out. Oh, the print line of course print. Wait, but there were different ways, right? Like system dot print line and your system dot print. Oh, just outprint. Haha. Here we go. I'm also dyslexic, so that's not really helping. Maybe I should do like a C++ so we can learn together. Wait, am I not allowed to do? Do I need double quotes for this? Maybe they are very strict with the double quote and single quote. I don't know. Like I'm constantly pressing save, but I don't know if it's needed. Package system does not exist. What? Eh? Oh, I can't use this. Can I not see like the what are printing? Eh, 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 eh. I guess I can do this instead. I'm so like some stuff in TypeScript is like so. Uh-huh. Oh, okay then. System to print line. Oh my god, it's been so long time ago since I did this. Is it with cap? It is with cap. Let me see if a single quote is also okay or not. Oh my god, I'm struggling already. It's not okay. The thing is already done, but struggling already. How come? Okay, so I probably need double quotes. Hey, it works. But too bad I can't see my output though. It's kinda, I feel kinda weird because it doesn't tell me like, oh yeah, I printed this, where I can see that. That would have been nice. Oh, TypeScript is even here. How funny. Let's stick with Java. Okay. Well, I can submit this, right? Submit. Dun 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 dun. What now? How do I get out of here then? Is this it? Oh, next question is here then. So, the next chapter. Additional tool and resources. As you progress in your coding journey, you will encounter problems of increasing difficulty and some with increasingly complex input, like tree problem. I heard the tree thing, like we were like working on it at my job about a navigation tree, and it wasn't complex to understand. Which was funny because I proposed a solution for them while understanding not completely everything. And this is actually quite early on in the solution in the lead code. I didn't know that. I thought it would be way harder. With increasing complexity, sounds like real life. Oh my god, it sounds like sounds like I'm just like happen to have the free trial and I just cross that free trial and then like life hits where you have to pay everything. When facing a challenging problem, whenever you feel stuck or found a solution and you just want to see how it compares to your peer's solution, you can visit the problem discussion section. Each problem has its own unique discussion section where you can read others' discussion to current problem and share your own. The following video will introduce you to predefined classes that are provided for more complex input, such as a tree problem. Here we also will also see how to use a tree, how to tree visualization tool. Ano isla? Visualization tool, load all of the example test cases and increase and create custom test cases. Finally, this video will introduce the discussion section and official solution article. So let's see.
Some problems may require you to use a predefined class in your solution. For these problems, the classes will be provided for you in a comment at the top of the code area. Here, for example, we are given a tree node object as input. An instance of this class has a reference to a left child, a right child, as well as a value. However, sometimes these kinds of input can be difficult to visualize at first glance. For example, how exactly does this list of numbers represent this tree? LeetCode provides you with the tree visualizer tool for such cases.
Oh.
It can be found by opening up your console, where you can experiment with different inputs to see how they would look. Turn on the tree visualizer in the corner to see the tree representation of the input.
What?
You can click on the rows for other input to see their trees too. You can alter your input as well, and the tree visualizer will update accordingly. So you can really get a grasp of how the data structure works.
Are you also a developer and wanting to learn together?
If you're still stuck on your problem, or would like to see if there's a more efficient solution, then you can check the official solution and discussion sections. The official solution will contain an article and sometimes a video taking you through multiple approaches towards solving the problem.
What a game developer! I know, right? We're doing
each approach will explain the intuitions and thought processes needed for it, with appropriate visual aids if necessary. You will find an implementation of the approach in code, and you will also find a complexity analysis of the approach, which explains how much time and how much memory the approach takes. I am actually not a game developer, but a software engineer. Currently at my job, I'm there is a comment section to discuss the solution article with other users. Before a more in-depth discussion, you should head to the discussion section.
Developer as well, but
Here,
a slight bit
many
of
users post and share their implementations and solutions.
Lambdas.
Usually, you'll be able to find solutions regardless of what language you use. You might even stumble upon some neat optimization tricks that are a feature of a specific language.
Thank you. I don't have a
you
mouse.
may sort the posts by most recent or by votes, as well as filter what you're looking for
you can see
using
my
tags. Most importantly, you can share your own ideas and solutions here. We'll go over this in more detail later on in this tutorial.
Well, I don't have a mouth. I thought a mouth rigging is so annoying on Live 2D. I also rigged this character myself, but I did not draw the character. Mouth rigging is very complex in my opinion, even for a simple one. So I skipped that part. I make game now with my friends myself. Ooh. Is the Discord working? Is it not working? It's not working? Nyani? That's stupid. I don't know why my stream element seems to be like bugged recently. Let me create an invitation. Give me 1 second. Is that maybe why people are not joining anymore? Here we go. Ooh, have you made any other games apart from the one that you are working now with your friends? And what is the concept if you want to share, of course? At this point in time, we encourage you to Oh, what is the language you're working as well in? I am my jobs, like I said, I'm working with React Native. We also use TypeScript as compiler. But currently in LeetCode, I am using Java because it's been very long time. Ooh, what is that? I'd never heard of that. And G develop. Oh wait, I do know this. I know the logo. I don't recognize the name. Oops. And G develop. What is that? That's the game engine. Wait, both are game engines, right? Underwater, what language do you use then? Or am I? Wait, let's see the 100 seconds of what is this?
Game engine capable of building high-quality 2D and 3D games. It was created in 2007 in Argentina and open-sourced in 2014. Like Unity, it provides an editor that allows you to create, visualize, and program the behavior of game objects. However, Godot weighs in at just 35 megabytes, while providing a full-featured developer experience that's approachable to beginners. Game code can be written in C#, C++, or a purpose-built language called GDScript. It feels like a cross between TypeScript and Python and dramatically reduces the amount of complexity and boilerplate when coding game scripts. To create a game, you start with a scene, which itself contains a tree of nodes. Nodes are like building blocks that can be assigned as the child of another node to control the appearance and behavior of objects in the scene. Any node can have a script attached to it, allowing you to write code that updates the object for every frame in the game loop. You can then save the scene to disk and use it within other scenes. When your awesome game is complete, it can be exported with a single click to desktop, web, and mobile platforms, or to consoles like Nintendo Switch, PS4, and Xbox via third-party providers. To build your own game right now, download it and create a new project. Start with a new 3D scene, then add a static body node to it, which is ideal for things like walls and floors. On its own, it's invisible, but we can change that by adding a collision shape node as a child. Choose a shape type on the right side, then modify its actual size by editing the values directly or by dragging the gizmo with the mouse. It's still just a wireframe, but we can bring it to life by also adding a mesh instance node. A mesh is a collection of triangles that make 3D shapes look realistic. We can also make the scene look more realistic by adding a directional light to it, which will cast shadows off of other 3D objects. Now, to add a player to the game, we'll create another scene, this time with a kinematic body as the root, which is ideal for objects that you move around with a controller. Give it a collision shape and mesh, then open up the project settings and go to input map. From here, we can create labels like move left and move right, then map those labels to multiple different controls like keys on a keyboard or buttons on a joypad. And now we can write some code by attaching a script to the root object that moves the player when these inputs are pressed. Create variables with the var keyword with an optional type annotation and export them to make them public in the editor. Now override the process or physics process function to calculate a new position for the player based on the inputs pressed by the user. Now go back to the main scene and add the player scene as a node. Also add a camera for the end user's point of view, click play, and you now have the beginning of a real video game. This has been Godot in 100 seconds. Hit the like button for more short videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.
Cool. Okay. At this point in time, we're encouraging you to solve the most beginner-friendly tree problem. Oh my god, I feel so sad if I don't solve it. Ah! An experiment with the tree visualization tool. This problem is intended for those of us with minimal coding experience. If you would like to try more challenging tree problems, we encourage you to try the infamous invert binary tree problem for the video and return here. Study tip. After solving a problem, it's normal you want to move on to the next problem quickly. However, we highly recommend you check out the discussion section or the official solution article, even if you solve the problem with ease. Most problems can be solved in several ways. and each problem may present a learning opportunity. Compare your solution to others, coding and reading their explanation. Look for efficient solution, look for any data structure or algorithms you're unfamiliar with, and don't be afraid to expose yourself with code written in other languages. If you find a more effective solution, it's excellent practice to solve the problem again from scratch while you're trying to implement a more efficient solution on your own. If you find a data structure or algorithm that you don't know, check out the Explore card, read a few high quality posts, or search for a study guide for that topic. More importantly, take that information with you, use the next time you encounter a similar problem. If trees are too hard for you, you can always try a cactus. Which one? What is a cactus? Is that a real thing? Okay, let's go to the tree problem. I think this is the tree problem. Wait, where's the visualization thing? I thought it was here, right? It was the button. Where the button at? Where the button at? Doko. Wait, am I blind? In the video, the button was like right beside there.
Find an implementation, and these two numbers represent as a tool for such cases.
Look! The button is right there. Am I actually blind? Note taking default layout. Ah! 13 euro a month. Hiya, so monthly. So expensive. Okay. honestly, outdated video. Maybe, probably. But I will say this. If I continue this programming thing on stream, I will use the money, if you guys are actually gonna subscribe ever, to actually invest on increasing my value as a developer. So I would actually do the premium content. If they are really good, of course, or not, depending on it. I thought programming job pay. Well, actually, currently not yet, because I am still a trainee. So I get like, I wouldn't say minimum wage, but I get like still lower paid, because I'm not officially a programmer yet. So, no, that's not yet. I do, however, get like the job like, so currently my status of my work is I'm a trainee at company A, and I'm a consult at company B. But my contract is like a 2-year traineeship that after the 2-year, company B can hire me. And that's the plan. So they educate me for 2 years and they hire me afterwards. And I'm almost at that time where they can hire me. But depending on if I do well, of course, or if they still want me, because I'm being sold off. Yes, I'm being sold off. And then I have to negotiate about my price. And then I'm gonna be like, nah, I'm not worth that much. I'm sorry. I have like big insecurities of myself. Also, if you hear me munching, I'm eating a pizza. Wait. No, cat, it's not yours. Also, if you want to be a plushie, please claim the plushie wheel. Hello, Jackway. How are you? Long time no see. If I had a mouth, I would open my mouth and say like, here. Ah. But that's kind of disgusting, so yeah, let's not. Wait, I think I claimed. Oh yeah, you did. Oh, I missed it. Wait, sorry, I missed it. But everyone who joined the stream just now, claim the plushie wheel so you can be part of the plushie stream with my cat who is here already. So let's go, 3, 2, 1. Why is so many big plushies today? Like here. Whoppa. What are you coding? I am practicing coding with LeetCode. Oh, you're sick. What do you have? A fever or a cold? I hope you get well soon. If you have a cough, a very nasty cough, I know a very good medicine, but it sucks ass, which is boiling Coca-Cola with ginger. It tastes nasty because you have to also drink it warm, but it's very good for you. Ooh, 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 ooh. I'm monkey. I'm writing monkey code. Okay, 3, 2, 1, let's go! We got blue Russian cat. This is so strange. This is exactly the same plushie I used like last time. You guys are trolling me, I swear. Where's it though? Noko da yo. I can't find the plushie, so you had another one. I had it a second ago. We got Cashola! Wait, where's Cashola? I have so many plushies. I recently also got a new one. It's super cute. It is a Swabble from Pokemon. There we go. Look, this is Cashola. You wanna be friends? No? Okay, I'm gonna put you here. There we go. Coca-Cola with ginger. Yeah, it tastes disgusting. I know my grandma's recipe. Forest berry tea, honey, and a shot of vodka. Shot of vodka? Oh my god, I need to try that. I'm gonna give that next time to my boyfriend. He likes that probably. Wait, I'm gonna actually print screen that. I print screened it. And I'm gonna put that on the side so I don't forget. I just have a teaspoon of honey. Get that Coca-Cola with ginger. I tell you, it's very good for you. It tastes disgusting, but I believe. So I'm not home, so I'm using develop from. Wait, you can develop from your phone? Man, I'm getting old. I feel like I'm so behind on technology sometimes, and I'm in IT. Okay. Oh yeah, I read this whole thing. So let's do this, but I don't see the. Am I blind? Oh no, here! It's in the source! Ah! No? Is it the source? I think this is the source, so here you have the visual. Ah! They changed it into the icon. So, yeah. I'm not getting by, but thank you for the tip. You're welcome! I hope you get well soon. Yeah, for Google G Develop Mobile, it tells you all about it. Oh, someone has to support legacy. What do you mean? I only started my development journey like 1.5 year, man. No, actually, I started exactly 1 year, 2 years and 22 days because I started 2 years ago exactly. Okay, let's see. You're given the root of a binary tree that consists out of 3 nodes: the root, the left, and the right child. Return true if the value of the root is equal to the sum of the value of the 2 children, or false otherwise. So that means, okay, yeah, true. So if it's more than 10, then it's false, and if it's like together, it's, and the first one is always on the left side. But how? When do you know? Like in this array, when do you know which one is left and which one is right? Now, you see like a 10, a 4, and a 6. If you put a 6 and a 4 here, does it mean it changes? Uh, Someone has to. Oh wait, can I ask what is the purpose of this intense hyper study session? So the intention is I am currently a junior developer at my job, front-end engineer as a React Native developer. But I am lacking a lot of hard skills, like programming skills, in my opinion. And I can really use some help with expanding my solution thinking process, or training my solution thinking. Being more solution oriented. Does that make sense? So, as recommendation from some of my colleagues, they recommended me this website to try and improve on it. So I thought like, hey, how not make it more fun to do it on stream? Because then it's slightly more focused, and I can do something fun as well, and people are learning at the same time. So that's why this. And I wanted to also like do like a coding session on stream already, because it's also part of my life. And maybe later on, once I get a lot better with coding, I can start like creating more stuff for Twitch as well. So that would be cool, because Twitch has open APIs to use, but I don't know how to use them yet. So therefore, this is the hyper studying session, and hopefully by the end of like, probably never gonna end, but if I get better at it, I can really uh do something fun with it. Oopsie. And maybe I can actually start creating game code a game actually at this rate. Because like the art I can make myself. I would really like to create a game. Like at least one of the things that I really would like to make is a visual novel. Like those visual novels where you have to choose a path, and depending on which choice you make, your ending will be different kind of game. But then I also need to write a good story, of course, otherwise it's boring. Back to this. How do you know, like from the array, which one is left and which one is right? Do we always assume that the first one is like the left one? If I see this, I don't think of a tree necessarily. Enjoy the junior position by. How come? How come? Is it gonna get harder? Output is true. The value of the root is left. Its left child and its right child is 10, 4 and 6 respectively. 10 is equal to 4 plus 6, so we return true. The root is 5, 3, 1. So wait, how does this make sense? So 3 plus 1 is 4, right? What the hell? Well, as you grow to senior position, you will deal with more people than coding. Well, the thing is, in my field currently, oh yeah, a bit of side knowledge as well. Yesterday I got my first certificate, which is the Scrum Master certificate, the PSM1. Yay! Pachi 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 pachi. And because one of my colleagues got laid off, and they already saw how I was picking up that role, because I felt like every time when the person got sick, I just chipped in, because I didn't want the hole to be like there. You need to fix it. Also, there is what's it called? Ad ongoing, so I hope you guys are okay with that. I also made a mini timer on it now, so it's better for you guys to manage it. But yeah, in my role, because the project I'm working on currently is very high demanding, It's like currently not live yet for customers, so it's like what's it called? The soft launch will be next year. Yay for Twitch not having ads in my country. Oh really? Twitch doesn't have ads in. Oh my god, you're so lucky. Wait, huh? Where you? You're from Europe, right? I remembered. I like to do local art. Ooh. You want to show some art that you have made? Plusty wheel! Yay! Mm, you can put a link in the chat if you feel like it. A link to your art. Or like Twitter post or whatever. 3, 2, 1, go! Yeah, is there no ads in that country? No way! Yeah, for your game, right? Blue Shirt Bear! My cat is eyeing at my fucking pizza. Please get the fuck out of my way. Look, we got the blue, yellow shirt bear. So here, let me put it on my cat. Well, we do have ads, but they are super rare. Last one I saw was for a rock PC. Oh my god. I see, I see. Well, nice. Well, I put the timer at least there. Like I was working on it yesterday for no last weekend because I wanted to put it there, but I also wanted to stream, but that did not happen anymore because I was so invested in making it pretty. So I made it into the colors of my stream. So pink is when it's like approaching, and then red is when the ad is actually playing. But if you feel like the color is not that well or not visible that good, I can change it. Okay, so let's see. So the definition for the binary tree is we have a class which is called tree node. We have an integer which is the value. We have a tree node left, and we have a tree node right, and we have a function, an empty function. Once I accidentally had US VPN enabled and went to YouTube. Yikes, the amount of ads there. Yeah, Netherlands is also getting so bad. Like, I have a way to get around it at the moment. But it stops my YouTube video for a second. So it only pauses it, but I don't see the ad, so that's I'm really happy about still. The tree node has a parameter, and inside the function, this value, the property, is a value. So it's from this one, I suppose. And then the tree node itself, it takes a property. Why is it so strange, that one? I don't see it so well. The tree node, the first one is the value, the second one is the left node, and the other one is the right node. And this one consists out of okay, I suppose. So the only one that I need to see is like check tree. So what's my cat doing? I sent you one of my pixel art on your Discord. Oh, let me check. Let me see. Ooh. Oh, that's a really nice start button. Can I show it on stream, or you rather not since you're still working on the game? Is that like a thumbs up? I forgot. Or is that like a tongue but invert or a different way? I'm such a boomer. But okay, let's see. Uh, if you want to see, I send your Discord. What is this out of space language? It is Java, and it's been so long ago since I used it. If you want to see it, it's sent to you. I did see it. I did see it. And my question is, can I show it on stream? Like pop it up and let show others on the stream as well, or would you rather not let people see it since? Ah, okay, okay, okay. Then look, it's a start button. I really like pixel art. I do not have the patience for pixel art, sadly enough. Really love it. It's not JavaScript, it's Java. Ah, JavaScript would have been easier now. But I need to practice on other coding language as well. So let's revisit Java again. Um, check tree. It takes like a tree node, which is the root, and the tree is a tree node like yeah, it's just an interval. So I can put like a number. So I think 8, 10, maybe. I don't know. Run. In compatible type. Int cannot be converted to tree node. Okay. The tree node is. Doesn't mean I need to like unhide this. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, ah, ah. Because this seems like a code that I need, right? Because it asks for a tree node, so and it's public class, so I suppose. Why? My cat is literally sitting behind me on my back because she make herself comfy on my blanket. Bitch. Okay, so the tree node is a public class and it can have a value. I can draw you a picture. Oh really? Oh, you can if you want to. I don't force anyone, but if you do make fan art, I love them all. Like these pixel art you can see on the stream are made by Sir Ubicat. They are so awesome. I don't understand. Let me see how this is in JavaScript. Just a peek. Takes the left value, left, right, and right value. And this one will be. So I need to put 3 in here. Okay, let's try again in Java. So I probably need to put 3 numbers in. So we have the first. Maybe like this. I need to use the function, right? And then we have like 3 values. So we have 10. What was it? 5 and 5. Does it work like this? Or do I need to return it? Was that the idea? A method. I like to draw pixel art on my... They're so cute. I know, right? I can't draw pixel art. The only thing I have drew in the last few days was this. I can show you. This one. I drew this one for my birthday last 15 days ago. Ooh. Thank you. It's a function, right? It's a method. Cannot find symbol in tree. So maybe if I just do like tree node and then 10, 5, 5. Because they are integers, right? So... Oh, but it doesn't know it yet, so I need to... Oh, maybe? Wait, let me run it again. And she's the happy belated birthday. Aw, thank you! No worries! I didn't really tell people it's my birthday, that's why. Location. Oh, I'm struggling. Oh yeah, so I need to... Do I need to not make a if else statement? Because it only outputs a boolean, right? So, and what I outputting, or I'm not outputting anything. So, if uh 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 if if but it's already here. I don't understand. I sent you my normal art to your Discord. Oh, let me see. Let me see. It's so cute. Oh, I like the creepy one as well. Can I show it on stream? Aw, thank you. I have a long way to go, man. Like, my art, I find a little bit, I need some practice. You can, it's up to you. Thank you. Let me show. Look how cute. It's a sippy emote. And this one. You drew a lot in a week. I kind of lost that vibe. I really love this one. This is kind of my edgy inside of me is like really craving for this. This one, I really love it. It's very free. Thank you for letting me share. And I'm still struggling with this. No, it's not console log. Assist the dot print line. What? So do I just like 10, 6, 4. Okay. I draw too much. Well, there is no such thing as drawing too much, honestly. It's just like whether you want to draw or not, and the amount you make is just very well. Like, I feel I am drawing way too less for what I'm doing now. I used to draw like every day or at least every couple of days. But now it's kind of died. Like last year, I couldn't even finish the whole. I drew this in each month, you know, because I didn't. uh, uh, I'm struggling with this already. It's kind of sad. So here you have like the integer and stuff. Not yet, not yet. Let me see. I need to give him boolean. That's why. So I probably need like if the amount of the left and right one is the same, then it should give a true. If not, it should be a false. Um. So let's start by writing three ints instead, and you have like value the root, the left child, and right child. I feel like I'm rewriting everything what's above. And the root, I say it's 10. The left should be 6, and I say the right should be 4. And then if left child plus right child is equal to root, then return true, else return false. And I need to use root, I think. Does it work like this? I don't know. Haha. Run. Oh. Fuck. Such a strict language, man. I forgot. I keep forgetting this. Ah. It's already defined, so how can I check then? Okay. I can do this. I can do this. So then tell me, what is root? Sister dot out dot print line. I won't need a solution to. Run. Missing. Am I missing one? Eh? Huh? I'm not missing one, right? Oh, return empty string for a second. It probably doesn't allow me because it needs to be a boolean, obvious. So, can I do undefined? No, I can't do undefined. So, okay, then true, whatever, save. Okay. Hey, I got undefined is undefined. Sad. At least I got like something right. I got the actual case now. But it is true, it's false. Is there a way to actually see like my console logs or something? I would expect like I can see my console logs, right? Well, you sort of cheated for it, so it's like, how did I cheat it? How did I cheat it? Oh, like that, yeah, I cheated. But I don't know what my root is. I don't understand. It doesn't tell me. Or do I just need to like be like what is next to root? Left and right. But are they called left and right? They are not called left and right, right? They are just called value. I know I watched like 2 hours of coding video. I only do that for a job, not really necessarily for myself. But I'm trying. Anyone? But now you are. No, in the tree function. This one. It's a tree node. It's this one. And I'm accessing this class to use this thing, to use this class. It's like a blueprint. I'm lending it. Yes. um. I think it's a function. Uh. I will hydrate. My water is empty. But my cat is sitting behind me. I kind of feel bad for leaving her because she's gonna roll off. Let me see what I still have left. Okay, let's see if I can at least try and solve this in another language to feel a little bit better about myself. But the thing is, I don't use classes in JavaScript either. The TypeScript either. No. We're gonna stick to this. I'm gonna solve this no matter what. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna solve this. I can use this. Probably. It's a function. But the thing is, why doesn't it tell me? Symbols. I feel so dumb. We're only at exercise 2, man. How am I gonna survive this? This is a root, so I'm 100% sure I need an if statement, so I'm gonna write that. 100% sure. Wait, I think Can I not access the properties that are inside? Or do I need to fill it in? So, tree node. And then we have root. Y cap root. And you have like 6 and 4. Is that how it works? Let's see if I can return this. No, because I'm returning the node itself, so let me see. If root is equal to 6 plus 4, then return true, else return false. I feel like I'm going around circles like this. Ah, hi. Oh my god. I'm so spoiled with my own IDE. It's like you have attempted to run the code too soon. Please try again a few seconds later to reduce. Okay. First type is a tree node. The other is a uh, I didn't do like tree node. Okay, I don't understand. Is there something I can access? Dot. Well, you tried. Yeah, I did. I feel so sad because it's been. I don't even check it out. This is easy. This is so much easy. Okay, well, okay, there we go. Please don't post any solution in discussion. The problem discussion is asking for questions about the problem or sharing tips, anything except solutions. If you'd like to share solution or feedback and idea, please head to the solution tab and post it there. Why so many dislikes? We all start from somewhere. Don't forget that some of us were beginners at one point. Thank you, coffee. This question is so much simpler than one would expect to see in any interview. I wanna. Oh, there's the solution tab. Wait, how can I? Oh, I need to see here. Oh, like this. I got the root. And wait, I called it left, and then they reassigned it to root dot left to value. So wait, how do you mean with this part? I don't understand. So you have like the root that you got, then the property left. Is that it? And then you have a value? This one? Am I getting it right? Wait, huh? Uh, I feel like I'm missing something. And apparently I don't need this. So, in this solution, it said like to create a new, what's it called? Value? Variable called left. And we should assign the root left value. So, we access the root parameter that we got. How do I see this? Is that then this one? Or is this one? I'm really confused about that part. And then it said like to access a value again. It's the same. Huh? Then what is this one then? Kinda. But I thought like, okay, so this one, this tree node is to define left, right? And this one is using the left to assign it to left, which is here. I thought that was the difference, but I don't understand why it's recalling the method again above it. This really confuses me. Java classes have multiple constructors, so the empty constructor is for instances they don't have a value or a kid. So this is another constructor then. Wait, so this tree node has its first constructor, which is this. A second constructor, which is this. A third constructor, which means it can have a int parameter, but the value from the parameter is this value. No, the top 3 line is properties. Wait, but which one is the constructor then? This one. This one is the constructor, right? With this and that to assign to which everything is. Then what is this? Is this also a part of constructor? I am confusion. All three nodes are constructors. Wait, so this whole thing is a constructor. I have no idea what you wrote. Sorry. Could you write it in English? I am Malaysian, but I don't speak Malay. And I assume it's Malay, right? Like in here, I kind of understand. Like, you go into the root, you access the left property, and you use the value of it. What are you making? I'm cooking some brain damage from this. Because I cannot solve like easy solution. I'm only at exercise 2. I'm dead inside. Welcome back. Yeah, I'm still on the same Kom Jula. Jula, ga op mijn schoot. Dit is niet chill. just learned. Well, I learned Java like 2 years back, but I never used it. I mostly use like JavaScript, and it's just like me trying to get back into it again. Thank you. My sound alerts are still not working. They're so annoying. It's been a very quiet while, and the part where I used Java in the past was like very minimal and basics, but apparently I'm not
interrupt your stream for an important
knowing any
announcement.
basics anymore. So, so I think the solution is like you create an integer.
Do it, you fuck.
You call it left, and you assign the root, which you get from the parameter, and then you go into the left property, right? But is this left property like this one or this one? Because I am confused about this part. I'm really confused about this part. Really. Both. But why do we need this part then? If we have this part. Oh! 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 I remember! Okay, then why do we need this part actually? This is confusing then. Can't you like assign it in this part as well? Oh, because it can... No, I don't know. No, I don't understand this part. Like, why is this constructor needed and why does this need to be in the separate constructor? Maybe it's written in description actually. Second structure is for cases when nodes has no left or right. Oh! So in this constructor, it forces you to have both a left and right. But then is there no constructor needed for only the left side then? Or is it this one? Wait, can I also filter on which solutions there are there? Or not really? I don't understand. I'm confused. Maybe I just watching. Yeah, I don't worry. You're not the only one. Well, kind of, but not for this case. Ah, so in theory, this is kind of flawed, right? Then in theory, it should actually also add like this. Either side. Je gaat eraf. Oh. So in theory, to make it complete, it should have both of these, right? Or am I wrong? You're a good streamer. How? Thank you, though. I'm just trying. like in theory, it should be like this then, right? Because then... Oh, wait. I need to remove this part. So you have like one that has the root value only, one that had either the root value and one of either side, and the other one would be the root value with both left and right. Am I wrong? Or am I just making stuff up? Well, it looks a design that either has both children or not, which can be correct depending on what you're making. Aw, thank you! I really appreciate it. Okay, then let's write this. I actually forgot the solution already, but well, kinda. You had like the value here from this part, and then I need to close this. Please, cat, don't stand on the laptop. Go. I want to bother him with the brother. There's no space. Oh, maybe. Look at her being so confused. Meow, meow. Okay, I'm bothering her too much. Okay, let's continue this. We have the first one, which is the integer, which is called left. We have another integer, which is called right. And in the root, we access the property right. And in the right property, we try to access the value of it. And then, what is your favorite thing to do? Sleep? Or you mean streaming wise? If it's not if it's not streaming, anything. Sleep. I love sleep with a passion. But I also love drawing and just in general actually creating anything. But I've been lazy. So whether it's like creating with coding, creating with art, creating with video editing, as long as there's like some kind of output there, I'm fine. And then I think those are the only two properties I needed. And then I have an if statement that if root is the same as left plus right, I think, then return true. Else return false. Does it work like this? Man, are you really gonna quote me on this? I want Dr. Pepper. I am actually drinking this. Arizona. Actually, my cat is from my lab. Let me actually very quickly grab a drink. Owie. Also put my plate of my pizza a bit further away because my cat has been really bothering me to grab it. Oh. Okay. Cheers on the Dr. Pepper and me on the Arizona. Bad operator. Do I need 3? Is that how that goes in illegal expression. Okay, it is 2. Cheese. Ah, thank you for the follow. Let me do 2 again. Wawa Yuning doing illegal stuff. Onyo, they caught me. We will become cat balls. Yes. Actually, I still have a community drawing I still need to finish from 7 months ago, which I haven't finished. And on the list, I still need to do a horror stream. Ha ha ha! Pain, pickle. Has it been 7? Yeah, it has been 7 months. I did. That's so bad, but I did I did the community thing 7 months ago, and I yeeted for 7 months later. I kind of yeah. Methodologic of use becoming cat ball things. Oh, I like the thing is, you know these cat thingies I have. In my lore, I call them Neko cheese, or for short for Nochi, and I refer them to cat balls. There's probably a root. Is there? Let's see. Wait, is that a root? That sounds so weird though. No, oh, this is the root value. You're right. Thank you. You were not right, but you were almost right, and now I understand. You're right. You're kind of right. It's in my description below on the stream. If you're on, I don't know if you can see it on the phone. Let me go my Twitch for a second. Oh, hello, Napcat. Oh, Napcat, I like that name. Are you doing nappies? Because my cat is doing nappies here. Look how cute he is. Such a cutie. Wait, let me see if I can adjust the... stream section! Streamception! Let me scroll down. Okay, let me put the camera a bit lower so you guys can see the cat better. There we go! Unloaded void. Here, you can see like the About Me section. The amount of plushies I have, and it's even increasing more. Just saying, I love plushies still. What equipment I'm using. And here's the lore, the frequently asked questions. Hello, Caitlin. Thank you for the subby. I know, right? It's called Yato. He's so cutie. Such an adorable child. Thank you for the subbies. How are you? And then, this is what I was referring to. So, what is a Nachi? And what is my VTuber lore? It's here. And if you want like a small insider or joke thing, so I wrote like I came from a faraway planet called Okini. But blah 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 blah. And if you swap Okini around, it's called Neko in Japanese. It's just a small thing. I haven't told a lot of people, but yeah, you're the first one now. And me, Mocha Mocho, is like Mocha and Mocho are the cats. Let me grab them very quickly. Where are they? There's one. Where's the second one? There we go. What's your name? My name is Yorana, just like my VTuber name. So this is Mocho, the cat, the original cat, and this is Mocha, the original cat. So they are part of the lore as well. How about you? Did something? Yeah, I invited some people over. We had some hot pot, talked a bit, and catch up with some live stuff. Actually, I haven't seen them for a very long time. So we become a human and I quote cat blob. Yes. Apple Arnico. Yes, yes. Yeah, you are human and you become a cat blob. And the thing is, what the fun thing is about this cat blob is, from this planet, your original form is that cat blob. But once you reach a certain age, so for me it was my 21st birthday, I like did something to trigger my human form. So there are certain criteria to get that. Is you have to be a certain age, and you also have to like do something which really energizes you, or really happy, make you so at a form of euphoric even. So for me it was like eating a lot of sweets and spending a lot of time with my mocho and mocha. Damn, old mess hot. It's hard. How do you I'm not old? Pain. And yeah, so and then you trigger your human form. So what you see as my VTuber model, that is my human form. And because once you reach that age, you have a better understanding on how to shapeshift between the cat blob and the human. If you're not that age yet, you are still able to change, but only half. So you are able to change half into human, but then it means you still remains your ears or your tail or your paw still remains a cat. And once you only after that age you are able to become fully human, uh, on appearance wise, of course. And you also have to trigger it by doing something you really love. Here, I can draw your OC that as that later. Here, I can draw my OC as that later. Sure, of course. Like, I also have some community drawings later, so I can always draw your cat form, cat blob form, later. And now since we call a cat blob, the official name is Nochi because the cat blob sounds so funny. But yeah, so that is the small lore I have. I never really put it into motion yet, but the idea is to also still make like this video of my VTuber lore somewhere later. I did, yeah, somewhere ever later in the future. Let's see if it works. Mm, it worked! Thank you, Brom! So I had to access my root value, I had to access my left value, and I had to access my right value, and then I was able to do so. That'd be cool if you draw us as that. Yeah, I once had made like a community drawing a while back. Let me see if I still have it somewhere. I need to think where I put it. Twitter? Maybe it's flooded already, I don't know. I think it's flooded already. It's not here anymore. Oh no, it's here! Look! That was one of the community drawings I did. I think all the things are not working. I don't know why. I think it's Stream Elements being dumb. So I need to fix the commands for later. I need to not forget actually. But yeah, this is the community drawing I did. So hopefully somewhere in the future I can do a new one. But yeah, so you have some people that are still human, but I drew most of the people also in the cat blob. So at the space of either their OC or they said what they want to be. So for example, Nami said she wanted to be a watermelon. So I made a cat blob looking like a watermelon. Okay, yay! We finally solved this with a little bit of peeking, of course. But I understood it finally. Submit. Let's see how long I took. So I found this very hard because I forgot how to access the property, the constructor. Let me write that. I forgot how to access a how constructor in Java works. I like those cat has like orange, black dot, and the body white. With orange, black dots, and let me see which one you meant actually. No idea. Na, 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 na. Orange, black dot. Wait, which one? I'm blind. Orange, orange, orange. Am I colorblind? Oh, the orange cat? Which one is orange? Is this the one you're referring to? The I guess it's orange. It was more reddish, I would say. The black dots, the one beside it probably, and the white one with the body, the purple one. Yeah, they are quite adorable. This is where I also started lineless art. Noise. Okay. Yay! Let's continue this journey. The challenge problem. I can't believe I took. How long did I took for the first two? Oh my god! I need to really do a bit more on coding. I know, like the thing is, like writing should be fast, and then like I'm getting hold back because I don't understand the language, and it's like really a pain. 2 hours, so 1 hour for each. I think that's a good one. Okay, beginner challenge problem. In this chapter, we will cover some beginner-friendly problems and walk through the steps to solve them. This chapter is intended for beginner and will help you to get on your feet wet and become comfortable with the problem-solving progress on LeetCode. For those who are already at the level where you are, where you can solve medium or hard problems, then you can skip to the next chapter. Yeah, I'm not doing that. Note that all video solutions are provided in Java since it's the most common language used in LeetCode. The idea and logic used to solve the problem are the same. So regardless of what language you use, you can learn from the video solution, understand code regardless of language is written. It's a good skill to build and not as scary of a challenge as it may intentionally sound. And any case, and in any case, oh my god, I can't read. For all of the problems in this chapter, solutions are provided in several popular languages. These can be found either on the official solution article or in the discussion section for the problem. Pachi, 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 pachi. Running sum of 1D array. Okay, this solution teaches us how to build prefix sum array, which is a valuable tool that in the future you can use to solve more complex problems efficiently. We encourage you to solve 148 running sum of 1D array on your own. Then return here and watch the video solution. Okay, let's do that. How to move on. Here we go. Huh? I need to subscribe for this? Nani? I thought it was free. What is happening? I'm gonna sleep. Good night. Good night, senpai. I hope I didn't bore you too much. And for everyone who is watching the ad, I'm thankful for you guys all. for staying afterwards. I really love you guys. I should like, if I can, I should make like this bot in the chat that says like stream is about to start in like 10 seconds or something. Then I can remember that or see it better, because on the stream I don't watch my own stream. I only read the chat. So it's hard for me to keep track of it. Or maybe I should put another color because the pink was really not that clear. I was clearing gacha as well, so I was lurking too. Ah, thank you, thank you. Did you go, or did it go well in gacha? Wait, how do I see? Oh, I just pressed this. Okay, okay. Okay. Yeah, just doing events and finishing up dailies and events. Ah, I still need to do my event on FGO. I haven't started. Well, I have. I'm in section 5, but really far behind. But I really wanted to do this actually today. I like the idea for me to stream more often, like this educational stream is. My plan is to do this at least every Monday. But if I feel like it, I might do it even more. But the plan is still every Monday after work. So something like this time as well, so a few hours. I clear everything, so I'm vibing in Pal World tomorrow. Ooh, nice! I heard a lot of stuff on Pal World, but I also heard a lot of copyright infringements maybe on Pokemon and AI generated stuff, and I don't know, I'm kind of scared that the game might get sued and shut down. That is what I'm fearing currently. Give an array nums. Okay, we have an integer array. We define the running sum of an array. We have a running sum which contains an integer, I suppose, and the sum of it is like the number index 1, 0, and any other indexes. Return the running sum of numbers. Example. Input numbers is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. The output is 1, 3, 6, 10. 1, 3, 6, 10. So times 1. Oh, so it's added to each other. So 1 and then 2. 1 plus 2 is 3, and then you have 3 here, and then 3 plus 3 is 6, and then 6, 4 plus 6 is 10. I see. Oh, it's even written here. Haha, I'm blind. Then the second example is all ones. So you have 5 indexes on 1, and the output is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's like plus each other the whole time. Okay. And the third example is like 3, 1, 2, 10, 1, and it's like 3, then plus is 4, then plus is 6, then plus is 16, and then 17. Something like that. So the constraints is the number length needs to be either within 1, either 1 or higher, or lower than 1,000, or 1,000 or lower. And the amount of the amount of indexes it can have is, that's weird. No, I've not seen this in this thing before. Not that I have many interviews yet, but I have not seen this, and since this is quite easy as a junior, I can maybe say that. Okay. So what's the idea? So I just need to solve this like this. We have. Safe work. Hey, Dai Dai, how are you? Thank you for the hydrate. You want the pet to the cat? Okay, let me do that.
We interrupt your stream for an important announcement.
Safe work.
Save the game, otherwise you will feel lame because you
wanna
have
become a
to start
plushie on the
the
stream? You
level
can claim the
again, so
100
save the
plushie wheel,
game.
and then you can
Do it,
become a
you
plushie,
fuck.
like this one. And I put it on a cat. He's so comfy. It's so cute. I have the other cat also on my lap, so I've been constantly petting it. How are you? How are you? I hope you're doing well. Yes, I'm doing well. Well, I mean, I'm breaking my brains on a very easy solution, but apart from that, it's going okay. And you? And you? I'm okay, just tired. Ah, hope you can get some more rest and sleepies today then. I don't know where you live, but it is nighttime at my space. It is like 9:35. I was sleeping, but I checked my phone. But I just checked my phone. Ah. Oh, what time is it now at your time zone? So I think the first thing I want to do is uh uh I remember you thought, yeah, that's why. Oh yeah, you're from the other side of the world, right? The past, my past. Yeah, I really thought you were Malaysian. It's 3:35 only for you. Oh my goodness, you are my past. It is like 9:35 here now. It's 6 hours ahead. I'm 6 hours ahead. Do you have any workies? So let's think of a solution. So I'm running the sum, and I need to either return, give an array and define the running array sum as can I not make like for then int I define the int I as 0, and then I can loop through the nums, I think. Was it cause of? Yeah, it was kind of cause of Fanny because you were there all the time, and I thought like, oh wait, it's you're probably in the same time zone because you are able always to catch her stream or something. Think that kind of made the impression, and then how do you do this? And then I plus plus. So then it's now just stay up late or wake up early. Ah, I see, I see. Um, this should be I. Yeah. So first we define the variable. Then I place the variable where I want to run through it, and then is it like this? I'm bored. I don't know what to do. Make pixel art. And then I put I to increment it. But I feel like this is gonna go through an infinite loop, so this is not good. So I think it's should be like how many times do I want it to go loop through? Probably like I should be smaller than 10. 10. 10? 5. So like this. So I should be smaller, equal or smaller than 5. And then we open the brackets where it's looping from, and then it should be, we have nums. And it should be in I. Nani? The fact Yuna can do this coding stuff means he's very smart, more than 2 brain cells. Humu humu. No, I think I lost those 2 brain cells earlier in the previous solution. So I think like what I can do is um run to all the I only need to give the sum, right? Give an array, we define the running sum of array. But I'm going back to sleep now. Gamba. There, Yuna. Thank you. Oyasumi. By the way, are you Japanese, Dai? I know you're gonna go to sleep, but I hope you hear the last part as well. Uh, uh, int. No. Array? What was that? I asked if you were Japanese or not. Oh, nums is an array. So if I do, oh, it can only do like up to 4. So 4. 4 times. I can put 5, right? And then skip this part. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh wait, I forgot that's 4. Haha, can't count. Well, no, I guess not anymore. I guess. Do you speak Japanese then? I think that was a more accurate question. 5 and 5. So I think I need to. Oh, okay. Hey, we can learn together. Oh wait, can I not go for like I should be lower or equal to the amount of num length? Does that make sense? Am I grabbing the length of an array like this? Let me see. Getting Java accessing length of an array. Yeah, it is dot length indeed. So I think it's like this. So I should be equal or smaller than the length of the nums. Oops, with the S. And then I'm done with that. Yay! ありがとう、大好きくん。なあ、おやすみなさい。私の日本語は少しです。日本は少し私勉強します。 I think my Japanese is like completely broken, but at least I hope people can understand it. At least, like I think when learning a language, like being able to convey what you want to is the most important part. I need to learn the writing part. Oh, I am currently okay. I don't think this is the valid way to do so, but I'm currently learning through Duolingo. Mm, and I have like this link which allow you to have unlimited hearts, so you can fill how much you want with it. And with that, I'm daily like increasing my knowledge with Japanese. Okay, so I have an integer array, uh, and we looping, and now I want to access the. So if you want the link as well, I can send it to you later. Just poke me on Discord, and then you. The thing is, the only thing what happens is it is a specific Duolingo class. So if you're really competitive with the whole ranking in the world thingy, so getting into diamond and stuff, you will lose that. So keep that in mind. So you are not able to rank anymore in that thing. It's only and pure for having unlimited hearts and really studying Japanese only, or any other language you can choose with that class, anyways. Yeah, then this is perfect then. I know a friend that was really into like the ranking thing, and then yeah, then it's not possible anymore to do so. I was very competitive in that ranking, and I got platinum or diamond. I don't know what the highest was anymore for like for no 10 weeks or something. But then I decreased because I didn't really care anymore because I just wanted to learn. I didn't want it to be forced to learn, you know. I just do every day one and then I'm fine with it. Yeah, just poke me on Discord and I will send the link to you. So we are looping to the array. We also assign the number from the array into another variable called number array. I should call it the index number index number. Maybe I should just call it the sum of all indexes. Yes, thank you. Well, now you're allowed to sleep. Good nighty. Oyasumi, Daisuke-kun. And then we loop through it, and I suppose then at the end of it we can actually what we can do afterwards is like no, this is just the index of the array. Each index of each number. Number. I'm fiddling so much so with it, with the naming. And then afterwards, I think I need to make another int. Int, which should be the sum of uh in of all index, and that should be index let me think. I want to plus each other, but at this rate, if I loop through it the first time, I will give the new thing And we'll do it twice, so that's not what I want. I need to do this beforehand, I think. And then assign it. I think that's the idea. Uh, so I think I need to do this afterwards. So here I define index of each number. Oh my god, why is it not going well? So here I define it. Then I want to make the sum of all indexes is like plus each other, but since it's 0, it will not do anything. No, but it doesn't make sense either. It doesn't make sense either. Oh wait, why am I being stupid? Ah, ah, ah. And then I'll do this. So the first time if I loop through this will be 0. 0 plus the number of the index length will be still 0. So it will be 0. And now with assign it, the first number will be, let's do 3 for the sake, 3. Then when we loop through it again, it will be 3 here still. But the second number is 1, so it will be 3 plus 1 is 4. And then it will assign the number number the number it will. So wait. So 3 0 3 0 will be 3. That will be 1. And then it will just overwrite, so I need to hold it somewhere as well. This doesn't make sense. I need to like int is like a sum is like okay, let me think. So the first oh my god, this is, my brain is dying, I swear to god. At least I want to finish this one at least, and then I'm gonna do some gaming probably. So does it make sense? Okay. So the first time will be 3 0 0 0 0 then 3, then there will be 3 1 will be 4. Thank you for the hydrate, let me drink these. I actually need to go to the toilet as well, but my cat is sitting on my lap. Wait. 303031. 1. No, this is. Nani? No. First time run is nothing. 3. 3. No, that's not true. Wait, what the fuck am I saying? No. Brain is dying. So, first time running is nothing. 0, 3, 3, 3, 3, 1. Another run. 3, 3, 1, 4, 4, 3, 7. What? I'm so confused. I need to write this down. Oh. I'm braining is hard, man. Jesus. So this will be 0. This will be 3. 0 plus 3. And this means this is 0 plus 0 plus 3. And this is then this will be 3. Yeah, this will be 3. And then if I go for the second round, this should be still 3. This will be 3 plus 1. This becomes 3 plus 1. This becomes 4. No. This becomes 1. No, that's wrong. This becomes 3 plus 1 is 4. This becomes this. So that's 7. Am I right? Yeah, that becomes 7. Wait, huh? 3, 4. I need only this. This isn't enough, maybe? Okay, I think this is enough. I don't need this one because that will make it double. Okay. Oh my god, braining is hard. Then what I need to do is put it into an array again. So let me make an integer array and there's like output array, which should be uh um brain is dying. Which should be output array I is equal to the sum of the index. I think this should be it. And then uh uh and then at the end of all I need to will it disappear? I don't think so, right? Because it's saved on the upper scope. So it should be like return output array? Something like this? Maybe? Brain? Ah, Nani? Line 4. Oh, probably wrote the thing wrong. It should be like this, probably. Run again. Wait, huh? Why is this not allowed? Error is expected, comma. Fine is equal to I plus 1. You want it like that, sure. No? Hmm? Wait, is it not like this? I'm pretty sure it was like this, right? Oh, of course, it's not with commas. It's with this thingies. I forgot. Haha. JavaScript. Java hard. It's like I'm doing like hardcore mode in like a few seconds. Wait, is it not like that? I thought it. Oh, I should remove this though. Is it not like that? I thought it was like this. Am I wrong? How do you mean with this though? It's like I should be smaller than this length, right? For loop Java. Huh? Okay, let's just stick to the for loop then. Jesus. Oh, whoopsie. Hey, the error messages are getting slowly getting removed. Oh, it's nums with the S. Where? Dun, 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 dun. Cannot find the symbol. How do you mean? It's this one, right? Oh, I called it all the thingy. Oopsie. Renamed it. How do you mean it's not been initialized? Our variable index each number might not have been initialized. It has, literally one above. Fine, if you want it to be there, sure. Yeah, initialize the one above. Huh? I have initialized, alright? What? Hey, hey. Don't do that to me. Stop programming and get some fanboys you neither. No, I need to program. Hello, Femp, Femboy, Alex. How are you? Long time no see. Your variable index of each number might not be initialized. It has been. There. And this one has also been initialized. There. Upper array is initialized and index of each. Eh? Sup, my dude? How are you? How's life? Happy New Year, everyone. I keep forgetting to say that. It's still January. I'm allowed to say that. Am I making this way harder than it should, this Sir Bikini? Been good. Ooh. How's streaming been? I I got good news. Good. I got good as news. Huh? Variable. It has been initialized. What you mean? Maybe it doesn't want me to, like, create. Oh, oopsie. Initialize here, but like, but like in the upper scope maybe? Shouldn't be the issue though, I think, but oh, who knows? Save, run. Expected. Huh? Nani? I got drafted and ready. I haven't been at it in a while. Call of Duty, here I come. Oh, good luck with Call of Duty. Oh my god, it's so cute. My cat is actually hugging the plushie. Look at this. It's super adorable. It's adorable to the max. I thought it was just making a for loop and going through them all. Flip the cat. No. He's so cute. Okay, let me okay, let me just remove everything. Maybe I'm wrong. Length. System dot out dot print line num I. Can I see my print lines? Am I really missing one? This one? I'm not missing one. What a lie. Oh, I'm missing a return statement, of course. return an empty array, I guess. Oh shit, I submitted. No, 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 that's not what I wanted. Frick. No, 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 I don't want to see the solution. Go away. I did not see the solution. I put my hand in front of it. But how did you mean it's not initialized? It's here. It's here. I made it right. Or do I need to make it like explicit, like is equal to? Oh wait, maybe I do need to. Oh my god, this is so basic. I'm so dumb. I thought I didn't need to do that though. I'm so used to JavaScript. So this one is 0. I thought I could just initialize it without like assigning something to it. But maybe I do? And the sum is currently still 0. Okay, maybe now? Illegal expression. How is that illegal? 0? It was just an empty array. Why is it not allowed? Do I need to put a 0 in it? That sounds so weird though. How? Create an array in Java. And now I probably need to go for a leak, man, because I. Oh. Oh, I I created it completely wrong. Haha, oops. New int like this? Oh, wait. Like this. It should be. Run. Come on. I need to go to the toilet. Give me 1 second. But I got a new error code, so that means I'm actually getting somewhere. I'm back. Tadaimasu. I'm still not getting anywhere. I'm failing these very simple ones. It's been too long. Oh. But it said like the Java. I want to see the length of my numbers. Because it needs to access like 0 first. Index 0 is out of bound for the length 0. You didn't give the output array a size. So it's an empty array. But if I give it a size already, it doesn't it, how do you say it? Oh wait, you're right. Wait, no, wait, huh? How do you give a size again to an array? Uh, is that before? No, here. So you're right. So I need to put like length dot number here, and now it should be better, right? How would the language know how big you want the array? Well, I feel like because it's still determined on how many things I do, but of course I have already a length that I want to be filled, so that's weird. My braining. Will it work now? Line 4 error. Array creation with both dimension expression and initialization is illegal. Int output new. Do I need to put this in a int array nums array length? Like I'm not allowed to do that? This will double though. Just delete the at the end of line 4 and now line 5. Wait, don't I need to do this? Oh no, I didn't. Oh my god. I thought it was because of this, but this is defining what is inside of the array, of course, and this determines the length as well. Oh. Oh, Nani? Don't open the dev tool. Yes, it's one or the other. Ah. And hello! Wait, have I seen you already before? Oh, this is the first time. Hello! Thank you for joining my stream. You're looking at the noob JavaScript developer. Let me see. And maybe it works now? No. Error. Can I find the symbol? Output array. Oh. Yeah, obviously it's not working like this. Since I removed it. So let me put it back. Save, run. Oh my god! I got the solution! Oh! Oh! It's wrong. 3 times. Did I do it right correctly last time then? I think I did it right previously. What was this? 3, 12. How does this come to 3 again? Yeah, it's one of the. Oh, I read that earlier. How you been? Are you also a developer? And in which languages do you work mostly? Wait, how come it's still 2? my god! Nani? Am I stuck somewhere? I wish I could also see the print line. I could see it on each line, but well. I think this one is the easiest to follow then. So yes, C++, we should be able to debug it now. Yeah, I think so. So here we are able to count it up with each other. But I think my logic somewhere here is failing. So, why is it stuck on 2 the whole time? Is it because... Is it because of this one? Should it be like this? Let's see. Or should the index... No, it's not that. I don't think the order would matter too much because it's the same output over and over. Oh, now it fails completely. Okay, let's revert that back because I feel like I'm missing something. So, are you also currently working in the industry? And like, what are you working at? As you software engineer? Uh, uh, are you working as a game developer? Are you doing it as a hobby? That's also a possibility. So if I go, so it does loop because it gives me 5. But how come it gives me 5? 2, 3. Oh, because this part, because it only gives me the index of this number and then it counts this one up instead of like the total amount of this one. So should it be the sum of the index again? Ah. Save. Run. Ooh. Oh, close. I think this one should be 1 then maybe? No, that doesn't make sense though, but oh well, let's see. No, yeah, no. Go back. Save. I'm missing one thing. Uh, is this maybe it? Index of each node. If I put this on 1, what happens then? Run. But it doesn't make sense because it fails the last case as well. And the first case even. It's not hard-coded. So come on. Index of each number. I will remove this. Doesn't make something better. No, I can't do that. Java, why are you so mean? Oh, pff. Oopsie, double initialization. There we go. I'm so close. I'm so close. The first index is not going well. That's because we have an array, an empty array, and we start with putting the first index with the sum of the index. So maybe I need to like this, maybe? Save, run. Still. Index 0 will get the sum of the index. Let's go through it. 0, the length of it, and I will iterate to it. The sum of the index will be the index number, which is 0, and the sum of the index will be 0. No, that's not right. I did not read the solution, I accidentally pressed on it. Yes! I made it! Oh my god. Yay! I feel like I kind of brute forced that, but like I was able to solve it. I had the iteration wrong. I should have started with the iteration. Yay! My cat was like, "Why are you clapping? Please let me sleep." Woohoo! I was able to solve it. It took me so long though. Hey! How did they do it? Is this my solution? What is the actual solution? That's mine. That is a one-liner solution, man. Like he did for loop, which I did too. And he used the length and iterate to it. He took the nums. Oh, I assigned it to something else. Is equal to nums. Why did he do -1? Oh, because of this. -1, so he will... First index is the... Does that work like that? What the fuck? And he didn't need to make a new thingy anymore, huh? I was thinking it's so complex. But that was also very... Ah, this is kind of the solution I went for. No, they did the same. Why does everyone knew like, oh yeah, let me remove 1 and then plus 1 again? I feel like I took it so complex at this rate. Everyone knew to do -1 +1. Everyone knew that. I feel like so clumsy at this. Okay, well, this was my solution for today, and that was oh yeah, that was a video
This is your
solution.
LeetCode video solution to
Let's
problem
read the
1480,
video solution as
running
well.
sum of 1D array. The problem states, given an array of integers, return the running sum of the array. That is, for each element in our given array, we must find the sum of that value and all of the values before it. Our constraints are that the length of the array is between 1 and 1000 inclusive, and that the values of each integer are between -1,000,000 and 1,000,000 inclusive. Let's look at how to approach this problem. Let's begin by trying to find the running sums for each element in our array. We'll keep track of the corresponding running sums below. With our first element, we must find the sum of its value and all the elements before it in the array. However, because there are no elements before it, the sum will just be our value of 3. Let's repeat these steps with our second element. We first find the sum of all the values up to our current element. In this case, that is 3 plus our current value of 1, making 4. The running sum of our third element will be 3 plus 1 plus 2, making 6, and so on until our last element's running sum is calculated. However, notice that each running sum is equal to the value of the previous running sum and our current value. So rather than begin from the start of the array each time, we can use the value saved in the previous spot in our results array and add our current value to get our result. We can save each of our values to a new array, which we may return as the result. The time complexity is big O of n, where n is the number of elements in our input array. This is because we perform the same number of operations on each element, namely, adding the previous running sum value onto it and saving the result to our result array. The space complexity is constant. Although another array is used to store our output values, we do not include the space used by our input or output arrays in the space complexity. Therefore, aside from our input and output arrays, no extra memory proportional to our input is used, making our space complexity constant. Let's turn this into code. First, let's begin by making an array the same size as our input array, so we have somewhere we may save our results to. Next, we need to iterate through our input list,
Hey, I
calculate
got that one
corresponding
too.
running sums, and save them to our results array. Notice that our first value is always going to have the same value in our results array. This is because there are no previous values to add onto our first value, so the sum will always just be the first value. I'm going to put this value in the first index of our results array. The reason I'm assigning this value now, rather than in our for loop, is because we use previous values of running sums to calculate following running sums. This will make our code look cleaner. For our for loop, we do not need to start at the first element, as we have already calculated the running sum in our results array. We can start at the second element, at index 1. All we need to do now is assign the
That makes
corresponding
sense.
index in our results array to the sum of our current value, and the value just before our current index in our results array, which we know is the sum of all the elements before our current index. Notice that if we had started at index 0, we would have been accessing an element in results at index -1. This is out of bounds and would have thrown an exception. But because we assigned our first value and started at the second element in the array, we avoided this problem. Once our loop finishes, we may return our results array. The time complexity is big O of n, as we go over every element in our input. The space complexity is constant, because aside from our input and output arrays, we do not create a data structure proportional in size to our input in our solution. There is an alternative solution where we do not need to create a new array to save our results in. Notice that once we use a value to find a sum, we no longer use that value in our future calculations. Therefore, we can overwrite this value with our result and use that result in our future running sums. Then we can return the input array as it will be filled with our resultant running sums. However, one must be wary when modifying the input array. This is because unexpected behavior can occur when an array, after being used as input, no longer has its original values, as they have been overwritten. The time complexity remains the same, big O of n, because we are still performing the same number of operations on each element. The space complexity is constant, because our solution does not create a data structure proportional in size to our input. We are operating directly in our input array. Let's turn this into code. This time, we don't need to initialize a new array, so we may just start with a loop. We'll start from the second element, like before. Remember, this time we're overwriting the values in our input array, which means our first element is already the correct value. Now we do as we did last time, assigning our current element to the sum of the previous element and the current value. The right-hand side is executed first, with the original value from the input array. Then that value is overwritten with our calculated result. We can shorten this line a bit by using the addition assignment operator, as all we are doing is adding the previous running sum to our current value. When the loop finishes, we may return the input array. The time complexity is big O of n, as we go over every value in our input. The space complexity is constant, because we do not create any data structures proportional in size to our input. This has been the solution video to problem 1480, running sum of 1D array. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching to the stream. Well, I see when I do this, I think I'm probably gonna do this in on next week Monday. And if not, if not earlier, it will be somewhere this week, but probably not Tuesday till Friday because I'm quite busy. So it will be either Saturday or Sunday. For now, I think I'm going to actually end the stream because it has been a quite long day as well for me at my work. And let's see who we can raid. Let me change to my thank you for watching stream. No, I ruined something. Yada. I ruined it. Let me change this. Let me check this screen. And I also want to say thank you to the people. Oh, that's my screen. So, thank you for everyone who followed me today for a very unusual stream, but I'm definitely gonna do more of these. So, thank you, thank you, Link, thank you, Famous Nug, thank you, Xshoot, Napcat for the follows, and thank you, Caitlin, for the 1 month subscription. And let's see who we can rate. Ooh, there's several people I can rate. I actually want to rate Rin since she rated me like 2 days ago, I think. So let's do that. Raid Rin Arts. Wait, huh? Why is it not working? Raid. Oh wait, I don't need to do the ads. Huh? I have not done this. for a long time. Art. Hey, it's been working. Ayo. So please. Oh yeah, frick! I forgot my raid message. I have 10 seconds. Let me see something. Hugs. No cheese. Huggies incoming. So if you guys could all like copy this raid message and paste it where you see Rin, I would really appreciate it. And then I see you guys for the next stream. Bye bye.